Hello! Welcome to Fully English. My name is Teacher Jai. What's your name? Wow, hello Rika. Nice to meet you. Can you say, my name is Rika? Very good. That's awesome. Are you ready for our lesson for today, Rika? Yes. Look at the picture. What animal can you see? Oh, it's a bird. Very good. Do you know what bird is this? Yes, it's an owl. Can you check the owl, Rico? Very good. Do you like birds, Rico? Yes, me too. Today, we are going to learn, can only birds fly? As we are human, do you think we can fly? No, we can't fly, but we can jump and run. Yes. And let's go to the next page. Yeah. Now, here we are in the next page. Look at the picture again, Rika. What can you see in the picture? Oh, I see. We see, we can see a lot of animals. Can you circle the animal you know and say the name of those animals? Wow, the monkey. Yay! That's great. Oh, this is monkey. Colorful monkey. Okay, what else? Yes, very good. A dog. Amazing. What else? Yes, a cat. And a tiger. How about the big animals? This is on. Very good. An elephant. Elephant. Yes, amazing. High five. Very good. What else? Yes, this brown guy is giraffe. And we have two animals remain. Those what are those birds? Yes, very good. This one is a penguin, or also known as a seabirds. They have evolved flippers instead of wings for flying, which makes them expert swimmers and divers. So instead of them flying, they have flippers so they can swim and dive. Wow! But this last bird is a magpie. Very good. Very good, Rika. What is your favorite animal, Rika? Yes, me too. I like dog too. Can you say my favorite animal is a dog? Work, work. Awesome, Rika. Okay, let's move on to the another page. All right. Look, Rika. Follow. Look. and follow teacher. Let's say, "Hi there. Are you a bird?" Very good. One more, one more. "Hey, I have a friend there. Hi, bird. Hi there. Are you a bird?" Yes, I am. Oh, owls are birds. Wow! Awesome. Can we say that one more time, please? Yes, I am an owl. And owls are birds. Very good. Very good. Okay. Again, Rika, what kind of bird is an owl? Yes. What kind of bird is this? It's an owl. How many owls can you see in the picture? Yes, only one. Let's say one owl. Very good. How about in the next page? There you go. Wow. Look at the picture. How many owls can you see? Can you please count it? All right. One, two, three, four. Very good. We are going to say owls if it's one, two, or more. Let's read this one. Can you say owls? Owls are birds. Owls are birds. Yay! Very good. Give me five. Amazing. Amazing. You're awesome. Another. Wow. Let's have this. Look. Look at the owl. Can you find owl's wings? Can you drag it? Good job. Let's say owls have got wings. Let's make it slower. One more time. Owls have got wings. Do we have wings, Rika? Yeah, no, no, no. Very good. No, we don't have wings. And okay, Rika, are you ready now to watch this? Yes, we are ready. Let's watch. All right. After we see the video, can owls fly? Yes, awesome. Okay, let's say this owls. Let's say, can owls fly? Yes, owls can fly. Again, one more time. Owls can fly. Very good. Those birds can fly. Amazing. You did a great job, Rika. Again, here we are. We are done, but let's look and let's read. So, how many owls are here again in the picture? Let's count. One, two, three. Yes, we have three owls. Let's say three owls. Let's read. Owls are birds. Very good. Good job. High five again. Very good, Rika. Amazing. You got a heart. And now let's read another one and say, owls have got wings. Again, one more time. Owls have got wings. Very good. And owls can fly. Yes, owls can fly. Amazing. You did awesome. You did awesome in our lesson. Just more practice reading and have time to watch English movies. Okay? That's good. Thank you so much for today's lesson, Rika. And we are done. See you next time.